I've been trying to make this video for like 30 minutes and something keeps going wrong. Welcome back to the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel. I'm frustrated. I'm mad. I've been trying to make videos for like a day and a half and everything keeps going wrong, but that's okay. We're gonna roll with it. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I make my XXL scrunchies. Now my XXL and somebody else's might be two completely different sizes. Mine is a 7 by 44 inch piece of fabric made into a scrunchie. The width is 7 inches and the length is 44 inches. Y'all didn't see it, but I was doing a whole video and I cut the fabric all up. This here, I'm gonna just turn this into a pillow. But I have the summer, spring print and also festive Memorial Day, July 4th print. Now these, I'm gonna turn these into scrunchies. So let me twist my camera around and do a close-up again of me making this scrunchie on my brother's SE630 embroidery sewing machine. So follow me. Don't worry, I'm gonna start over so y'all can see exactly how I got to this point. But my camera and my machine and all that was messing up, and I was about halfway through before I realized it. Turn it up a little bit more. These have 3 different speeds on it, and I just cranked it up. Since I've moved into my warehouse here, I haven't used my machine, and I didn't realize there's so much bounce in this table when I'm sewing. So I'm going to be looking for another table. This is the burrito method, so you just keep on pulling down until you get back to where you started. You make sure you leave a little opening so your elastic band can go through. A couple of back stitches when I cut it. Lift up the foot, and there she goes. And see, this is the little opening. Just turn it inside out. And here's the scrunchie outer case. Yep. Let me do another one for you. Okay, I'm going to do the yellow print one. 7 inches wide, about 44 inches length. You turn it inside out, so you fold it over so the outer parts are the parts that's showing right here. And then you sew across the end. I sew about 5/8 seam across this end here. Put down. You slow it down a little bit, and then you do some back stitches. And cut, foot up, and there she goes. You can snip this if you want to, but all these little threads are going to be inside. Nobody's ever going to see them. So, and there you go. So, just open this little crease right here. I'm gonna make sure it shows right in this view camera. And then about 5/8. Zoom in a little bit. And let's get to it. Back stitch so it doesn't unravel or come undone. Just to secure your stitches. With Burrito, make sure you just continue to pull it down until you get back to the beginning, about an inch or two from where you first started sewing. You got to leave a little opening for the elastic band. Back stitch a couple stitches, cut, foot up, and there. Here's the little opening right here to pull it inside out, and there she goes. Now I'm going to show y'all how I put the elastic in. So I smoothed it out. And I have a little bobbin. And this is what I was talking about. The little finger protectors. When I was doing the hot glue, the mugs, and also the candy bouquet mugs and the candy bouquet basket that I did. These protect your fingers from the hot glue. Finger protectors. Hobby Lobby. Or Dollar Tree, I forget. But this right here is my little bobbin. I use this in here to pull my elastic. This is my elastic. I use the white one. I clip it onto the end here. Then I find the little hole. Which is right here. And then I run it through. Make sure you keep hold of the end. You don't want to push this all the way through just to lose it when it gets to the other side. Inside here, and you have to redo it all over again. And I'll just reach up in here. Right here. And this right here. Some people glue it, some people tie it in a knot. I don't do either of that. I don't like that. What I do is fluff it out. All that. Fluff it out. So. And what I do is I sew it. I get it like this. Put it together under here. Right there. You see? That's how it looks. You can trim this down if you want to. Stick that in there. Nobody's ever gonna see it. See, and now, oh my God, this right here. Gotta close it up. So I'll just get as close as I can to the edge there. Complete. Complete scrunchie. You just got to go through and, you know, trim all the loose threads and straight threads and ta-da! And what I use for a scrunchie holder, paper towel holders. And then this one right here. Let me show y'all how I thread this one. Gotta find that opening right here. Get my wide elastic. Put it on my bobbin here. Make sure you don't twist up your elastic when you're pulling it through too, because it's twisted up. That's kind of sucky. I can't stand no twisted up scrunchy elastic, because you can, I don't know, you can feel it inside. And here it goes. Then I floof it out. There you go. Got some straight threads here. That's all right. forward and backward a few times. Cut it off, lift up the foot, and there she goes. And I always pull zoom out. Yep. 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 I trimmed it up, fluff it out. Yep. And then these loose threads here, you can come through and snip all those. And as for this closure here, just fold this in here. There you go. There you go. Let's get these little stray threads. Again in here. And ta-da! This is how you... And this is how you make scrunchies. So that was burrito method. I'll show y'all in another video another method, just a standard way to do it. But here you go. And if y'all have a tag, if you have a business or if in a started a business and you have your own personalized tags, when you're doing your closures, you can just insert your tag, sew over that, done. My tags have not came yet. They will be here soon. I got an email with the tracking number, but here you go, 2 scrunchies. If y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Yes, shameless plug. And I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.